Let's solve our question number 9 now, which is create target array in the given order. Let's see this question. So this question says us that initially our target array is empty, and we are given two arrays. One is nums and another one is index. We have to read both of these arrays from left to right, and what we have to do is that insert at index I the value of nums I in the target array. So it says us that okay, okay, so let me explain you this question using this example number 1. So see, what happens here is, suppose our I is equal to 0. Our I is equal to 0, so we will go here, index at 0. So index at 0, the value of index at 0 is 0. The output will be 0. Now this output will go here. We will look for nums at 0. The nums at 0 is 0. We will add this output at uh, our output of I, that is 0 is added at 0th index. Okay, now our I will become 1. I is equal to 1. Index at 1. Index at 1. The output of index at 1 is 1. This 1 will go here now. Nums at 1. The output at nums of 1 is also 1. It will be added in the first index of my output array. Now I is equal to 2. For I is equal to 2, it will go here, 2 0 1 2 2. So this 2 will get added here. Now I is equal to 3. For I is equal to 3, it will go here, index at index number 3, the value is 2. The value is 2. Now 3 at index number 3 of num 0 1 2 3, the value is 3. Now we need to add this 3 on this index, that is second index. So we will shift our 2 and 3 will come here, and we will shift our 2 here. Now for I is equal to 4, 4 goes here, it is 2, sorry, it is 1. Now 4 will go here, it is 4. Now we need to add this 4 at the first index of our output array. So 4 will come here, and rest of all of them will shift one step. So this is the question. Let's see how to code this. First of all, int n. After that, I'll use the array list to make this question easy. Otherwise, this shifting part is really difficult to code. Let's see the array list solution. Okay, for So what we were doing, that at index I, add the value of nums at I. So we are done with our question, but the code was only this much. But on lead code we cannot, they are asking us to return an array. We cannot return a list here. So let's make an array and transfer the value from list to the array using for loop. Okay, I transferred all the values. Now return answer. So you might be wondering, what is this list dot add, this thing list dot get. So you need to study array list before doing this question, so you can understand this thing easily. Let's try to run this code. Okay, so many errors. Let's submit this. See, 100% faster.